Hey you guys, welcome back and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I'm really excited because this is my part 1 of my Christmas clean and decorate with me. I will have a 3-part series. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump on in with getting a little bit of cleaning done in this area because this is the first area we're gonna start decorating. So what I'm doing now is just going ahead and wiping down the walls a little bit. This is the area I'm going to put up my Christmas tree and decorate, and I just want to make sure there's no dirt or scum or any kind of fingerprints on the wall.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
So this is where I put the Christmas tree on the left here. So I just go ahead and move our little chair over. But I wanted to go in with my wood cleaner by Therapy Clean and just kind of touch up on the baseboards.
Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You let me, doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
So now we're going ahead and putting up the Christmas tree. I did get this stand from Walmart, and then my tree is the 7.5 queen flocked tree, and it's from King of Christmas. So this is our second year having this tree. I love the natural trees. I am from Washington State, so I do love that look. I grew up with all real trees, but since we live in Arizona now and there's no snow where we live in Arizona, this just brings a little snow in our life for the holidays.
Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland.
So now I have my sweet little helper helping me vacuum up the mess before we start decorating.
Giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
So while I was filming, I realized that these Christmas lights all had burned out bulbs. So I went ahead and ran to Target and picked up some new lights, which were these pure white lights. I've never seen them before. I was really intrigued by them and I wanted to give them a shot.
All the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter?
This video does turn into a 2-day situation, so make sure you guys stay till the end. I'm going to show all of the close-ups of all of the decor.
Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you
So Ava's the sweetest, you guys. She pulled out this box, and this has some of our really important Christmas ornaments in it, and she wanted to show you guys.
Fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way.
Let me know if this happens to you, but as I'm going through all of the totes, I'm finding decor that I completely forgot about. So I did find this tree skirt that I went ahead and added with our galvanized tree color, and I thought it looked perfect together.
Fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll
So these are personalized wood stocking tags. We did purchase these through an Etsy shop last year. I'm going to try and find her information and put it down in the description box. She did such an amazing job. They are absolutely beautiful.
and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents.
So now we're on day 2, and we are going to clean this space a little bit more and start decorating the rest of the living room. What I'm using here is my dusting e-cloth. This e-cloth is amazing and one of my favorites that they make. And you can see it just does an amazing job wiping all of that dust without spreading it around the room.
Gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
My little hack here is go ahead and use a lint roller to get all of that extra fuzzy stuff off of your throw pillows, especially when they've been in storage for a year.
Have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for ever since July. I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything.
So I recently got these mixed tiles, and these are family Christmas pictures from last year. So I had these created and we are putting them up for the Christmas decor this year.
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights,
All right, you guys, so I am so happy with the results. I'm going to go ahead and show you around. Again, this is just part 1 of the clean and decorate. I do have a part 2 and a part 3 coming out very soon, so make sure you have your notification bell turned on. So I know not everyone celebrates Christmas, but if you do celebrate and you put up Christmas decor, comment down below and let me know what your theme or your style is this year. I would love to hear what you guys are doing in your homes.
the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.